So never know. Here's Cookie. Yep. Right there.
So cute. The
Let me show Cookie to you guys. Our videos. So, Cookie wants to lay down.
Yes, guys, and
Okay. Come on, Cookie. Go. Cookie. So, this is Cookie right over here. This is our cat.
yes.
Right over here, being bored.
And good action it.
So, let me show you Cookie. This is our cat.
Cookie.
That's our cat right over there, being hugged.
Yeah, he
That's
likes
our cat.
Yeah, this is our cat together, our little housey.
Yeah. That's our cat. Right
Over there. Over there,
Lying.
he's lying down to get softer.
So, that's our cat.
Yay! Look, Cookie. You love me? You love me?
And Cookie doesn't love like us.
No, they love both us.
And this is my dress. It's very tight here. Very tight.
And it has so many beautiful framework, but I can't because I need to stay good.
Comment below if you like my dress.
And
you can get this from the mall.
And be a subscriber, button, hit the button and subscribe below.
Yep.
You have to carry.
You can get the dress from the mall. That's our cat behind.
Right now, we'll go
Right.
to get her here. You need to show up, but you don't hear it.
Cookie.
Let's get the video started. And you get the cat. It's really a good day to get Cookie.
No biting.
No biting, huh? No biting. No biting. Biting. There's Cookie.
Okay.
No. Cookie, no.
Okay. You want my hair?
Then you want pizza.
No. Okay. So, bring the camera.
I'm gonna do Blackie.
This is our cat right over here.
Whoa.
Oh,
There's our cat. Blackie, this is
our cat is super crazy for today. That's our cat being crazy as a kangaroo and a race car.
And I'll show you.
And that's Cookie, his cage.
And I'll show you the video.
Cookie pushed it. Sorry, guys.
Come on, Blackie.
This is our cat.
Oh, you like Cookie.
Well, you haven't seen the face, so I'm going to show you the face. And
Ta-da!
this is the cutest, right? The cat. That's the cute, and that's our cat right over here, right next to us.
Oh, you're little bell.
That's our cat.
Yeah.
We take care of him while not our dog Baba. He's going over there.
And go Blackie.
Yeah.
Go Blackie.
Right? There! Itching! Very itchy.
Say high five, Blackie.
Good job. That's our cat. Right over there.
And look at
Playing. So, that's our cat looking at the vlog.
Yeah.
Here we go.
It's so cute. Bye, Blackie.
We always follow him when we're not.
And let's go, Blackie.
So we can...
I'm not going to leave it yet, okay? Not
Set
leaving.
And Cookie got off today.
And because Susan gets Cookie over here.
Yeah, Cookie's the cutest indoors.
She's the keep at the door, baby.
And I have like red cheek, and it cleans my ears.
And look at Cookie here. Go
Mhm.
sit.